Hello, my name is Jeff Kelly, and today I would like to talk about a tidal wave nightmare that is about to hit Georgia consumers. Today is June 25th, 2020, and back in March, a lot of Georgia courts shut down pursuant to an order from the Georgia Supreme Court, and that order has been renewed twice and is set to expire currently in mid-July. So here's what's been going on. A lot of consumers have had collection lawsuits filed against them. No order has ever been entered, and this has created a false sense of security. By the time July hits, it's going to be almost 5 months of cases where they've just been sitting on hold, waiting for creditors to be able to take action. And don't you know that as soon as they can, these creditors are going to do so. They are chomping at the bit. So imagine this nightmare. You get your paycheck and you expect a certain amount of money to be there, and 25% of it is gone, garnished. Okay? Let me tell you how this works. Let me spell it out a little more clearly. Let's say you're making $500 a week, and when you're hit with a garnishment, that amount's going to drop to about $375. Well, what does that mean for somebody who is, you let that happen to a couple of paycheck stubs, and it's not going to be long before you're not able to make rent payments, you're not able to make mortgage payments, you're not able to make car payments. But even worse than a garnishment of your paycheck is a garnishment of your checking account. So let's say you have a couple $1,000s saved up in your checking account. Under Georgia law, a creditor can clean it out up to the amount of the debt that is owed. And I feel that a lot of people this is going to happen to because they haven't responded to the lawsuits, they've ignored it, they've not addressed the problem. And so to compound the nightmare is, in a normal world, under normal circumstances, you would be able to call a bankruptcy attorney and get this taken care of. But imagine what's going to happen at the end of July and August. There's going to be a 5-month pileup of cases. Bankruptcy law firms, their phones are going to be ringing off the hook. Almost every firm that I know of has laid off at least half of their staff or more. So not only are they going to be understaffed, but 5 months of pileup. There's going to be some people who aren't going to be able to file. So, imagine how this conversation is going to go. I have an emergency. I need you to take my case today. I'm sorry, we have no slots available. You can yell and scream all you want to, but that's not going to add time or availability to bankruptcy law firms. So how do you avoid this nightmare? You know who you are. If you need to file, take action now. Don't wait, or it could be very costly. We need time to sit down and review your case, review your situation. It doesn't cost anything to talk to us right now, and right now we have space. After July hits, we may not have space. So give us a call today. Don't wait for the nightmare tidal wave to hit you. Call me at 770-881-8449. Let's take care of business today. If you're interested in learning more about Chapter 13 and Chapter 7, I've written a book, and you can download it on my website. Just go to kellycanhelp.com, scroll down to the bottom, type in your name and email address, and we will email you a digital copy. If you want a hard copy, give us a call, and we'll send you a hard copy while supplies last, and you can reach us at 770-881-8449. Thank you for tuning in.